Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and gathering tools. First, check that your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter or BIOS permits 5 GHz bands. If built-in NIC lacks support, you will need a USB 802. 11 AC/AX adapter. Next, download the latest drivers from the adapter maker and have admin rights on the laptop. Once done, plug the adapter into a powered USB port and leave the original settings intact, while you proceed to device installation and driver setup in the next steps. You now install and configure the adapter so the laptop actually uses 5 GHz. Run the vendor installer, accept drivers, and reboot when prompted to register the new NIC. After reboot, open Network Adapter Properties, choose the 5 GHz band or 802. 11 AC/AX mode, and set channel width to 40 or 80 MHz for higher throughput. Also set the adapter priority, so the system prefers the 5 GHz SSID. Make sure the router is broadcasting a unique 5 GHz SSID. You finish by connecting and validating performance. Select the 5 GHz network, enter credentials, and run a speed test to confirm higher throughput. If speeds or range are poor, move the laptop closer to the router, reduce interference from microwaves or Bluetooth, and try different router channels. If connection fails, update router firmware, reinstall adapter drivers, try another USB port, or test the adapter on another device. This single troubleshooting step, swap channels and update drivers, solves most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.